So have you ever had a feeling where you are in the middle of doing something and suddenly you realize, wait, have I done this before? But you are pretty sure you haven't. Congratulations, you might have experienced. These sensations make us wonder that are we living in a matrix or not? And it also has many theories to discuss. So let's begin. Imagine this, you are walking into a room and your brain takes a quick snapshot and it's so fast you don't even consciously register it. Then just a milliseconds later, your brain takes another look and suddenly it's like, wait, I've seen this before. Because technically you have, but a split second ago. It's like your brain saying, oops, I did it again. But instead of getting stuck in a catchy pop song, you are stuck in a loop, feeling like you are rewatching a scene from your own. So basically, your brain just lagged. Just like when you are on a video call and the Wi-Fi cuts out and everything gets pixelated. Except with your thoughts. In this one, your brain is like playing a game of Guess Who, but not exactly winning. It's like you walk into a new place and your brain is like, hold up, I've definitely seen this before. It's like opening your brain's secret folder and pulling out a memory that feels similar to what you are experiencing now, but except it's the wrong memory or the wrong file. It's just your brain's way of saying that, hey, this looks familiar, right? But really it's not that. It's just pulling a random memory from who knows where or when and just slaps it on your current situation. That is. Oh, this one's a bit technical, but stick with me, it's worth it. So some scientists think that deja vu is caused by a brain glitch where neurons fire the wrong signal in your temporal lobe, the part of brain responsible for memory, and it fires over wrong signal where the brand new memory looks like. Most of us take deja vu as a little brain quirk, but for some people, for example, people with temporal lobe epilepsy, deja vu can be a sign of something bigger. For example, a seizure might be on the way. So after all that, why does deja vu actually happen? So here's a Kickstarter. Scientists actually do not know. Yeah, it could be a memory mix-up, it could be a brain glitch, or just neurons going off script. What we do know is that deja vu makes our brains fascinating and freaky at the same time. Our brains are like the most powerful supercomputers out there, but except they're also prone to crashing. And deja vu is just a little delightful bug that reminds us that the most sophisticated systems in the world also need a reboot. So there you have it, the wild, weird and the wonderful science of deja vu. Also, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And also, YouTube does not turn on my comments for some reason, so you can just contact me on my Instagram in the description. And remember, the next time you feel like you've been here, or maybe you have, or maybe your brain's having just a little fun at your expense, either way, keep questioning, keep exploring, and don't let deja vu spook you too much. To infinity and beyond.